Hello everyone, this is Hridhosh Singh. We are over here in the Nagendra Singh channel. By seeing the response of the previous video on life process of 10th standard, today we have got the initiative to start for the 11th organic chemistry. Mostly people have so much of problem related to organic chemistry. I have come across so many students who fear with the organic chemistry. So today we are gonna deal with those things which will make you very perfect in all the organic chemistry reaction. With this, so there will be a series of videos in this lecture. So we will keep on posting the videos according to your response. So do subscribe and like, and please support us if you like the video, and your support will be serving as a motivation for us. So keeping that in the mind, today we are going to start with the Markovnikov rule of hydrocarbon chapter. This rule, why it is so important? Because you will see so many questions, n number of questions you will see in 11th standard, in 12th standard. In 12th standard mostly you will be seeing the conversion question, like convert propane 2-ol to propane 1-ol, or convert propane 1-ol to propane 2-ol. So these things will be seen so much again and again in your 11th and 12th standard. So please watch the video. Wherever you need, you just pause it and then continue the video. So today here we are going to discuss the Markovnikov rule, and the best shortcut you will come across in your life will be this rule. Okay, so let's start. So I hope you like the shortcut, and you will give your valuable comments in the comment section. So Markovnikov rule, first thing we should know for what this rule is. This is for the alkene. Now for which alkene? We have unsymmetrical alkene. For which alkene? Unsymmetrical alkene. So coming back to what is the unsymmetrical alkene, you can see this, that CH3, I'll write it bigger for you, CH3, CH bond, CH2. So this is, we have taken propene. Okay, now in propene, okay, we are gonna add with the HBr. We are adding hydrogen bromide. Now what is the shortcut? See here, whenever we react with this, the bond will break. So the bond is going to break, that's for sure. And here we have HBr, H plus, and Br minus. It will ionize like this, H plus and Br minus. Now the question is, this bond has been broken. With which carbon H will go? With which carbon Br will go? For this I have a very superb, very good shortcut to remember, which will never let you forget this rule. Okay, so what is this? We have seen this, we are seeing daily. This we are seeing daily. So because of corruption in our India, we are seeing that rich people are getting richer and poor people are getting poorer. Again, so here also I have used that funda, because you have to create a shortcut which relate to your life. Okay, you can't create an unambiguous shortcut which is nothing related to your life, and then you will end up forgetting the shortcut. So what is that? I said rich gets richer, rich gets richer, poor gets poorer, poor gets poorer. This is our democracy. Okay, because of this. So rich gets richer, poor gets poorer. Okay, now see here, within 2 seconds you will end up the product. This H, this Br, this bond is gonna break. Now with which carbon? I am making it for you star and hash, or else we can make first and second carbon. With one carbon, with the first carbon we have 2 hydrogen. With the second carbon we have only 1 hydrogen. With first carbon, I repeat again, with first carbon we have 2 hydrogen. With second carbon we have 1 hydrogen. Now the bond has been broken, which is richer in form of hydrogen. So first carbon richer in the form of hydrogen, because it has 2 and this has 1. It has 2, this has 1. It means the H, rich will get richer. So first carbon will get the H. So what will happen? H will go to the first carbon and Br will go to the second carbon. So what is the product? CH3, CH, Br and CH3. That's it. Oh, so you all reaction is over within 2 seconds. So you have to identify what is the reactant, what's the reagent, and then you will end up. Again I repeat, we have taken unsymmetrical alkene, that is double bond. This side we have 2 carbon, this side we have 1 carbon, so that side is unsymmetrical. Okay, so this is your symmetrical alkene. Here we have same number of carbon either of the double bond side. Here we have different number of carbon. Here we have 2 carbon, here we have 1 carbon. Okay, so that's why we are taking it for unsymmetrical alkene reacting with HBr. What is the shortcut says? What is the shortcut says? Rich gets richer, poor gets poorer. Okay, so the bond will be broken. What will happen? H will go to the carbon which has more hydrogen, and Br will go to the carbon which has less hydrogen. Okay, now why I said it is getting poorer? Because see, already while breaking up, this is already poor in form of electron density. Now this Br is electron much more electron negative. Okay, so what will happen? It will take all the electron pair from the carbon, making it electropositive. That's why I said already this fellow is poor. Further Br has been added, so it will become further poorer. And already this was rich, because in comparison with carbon and hydrogen, carbon was much more electronegative than the hydrogen. Now again we got one more hydrogen which will end up taking more electron towards the first carbon. So this was our Markovnikov rule. So Markovnikov rule we have seen rich gets richer and poor gets poorer. Now let us see anti-Markovnikov rule. So anti-Markovnikov rule. Now what is anti-Markovnikov rule? So anti-Markovnikov rule, which you can't see in the day-to-day life, as I believe, because the magnitude of corruption in India is so much that we are not gonna see this rule in real life. But because we are talking about organic chemistry, so let's see what is the rule. So first of all, remember the shortcut. In previous one, in Markovnikov, rich gets richer was there, poor gets poorer was there. Now just alter it. Now what is happening? Poor gets richer, and rich gets poorer. Okay, so this is the condition. Now in the anti-Markovnikov we have ulta condition. Poor gets poorer, richer, and rich gets poorer. Okay, so let's see again. Anti-Markovnikov is for the unsymmetrical alkene. So what is this? CH3 CH double bond CH2, you are taking propene. Now in this case, to make rich poorer, you will require something. You will require some external effort. Here that effort is being put out by peroxide. So remember, you have to see about the peroxide. What is peroxide? H2O2. Okay. Now what will happen? H2O2 peroxide is the moment it gets added with the HBr, again same thing, the bond will be broken. Okay, it's gonna change with the single bond. Okay, because this Markovnikov anti-Markovnikov is addition reaction in which double bond gets changed to the single bond. Okay, now what happened? Here the double bond has been broken. What I said? Poor gets richer and rich gets poorer. So here first carbon and second carbon. You see, second carbon has hydrogen, only one hydrogen. So it can take only few amount of electron density towards carbon. So now once the HBr breaks, H plus and Br minus. Okay. So H will come to this carbon, that is on the second carbon, and Br will come to the first carbon. So our product will be CH3 CH, here one H, this is CH2Br. That's it. So here we are getting 1 bromopropane. In Markovnikov we are getting 2 bromopropane. Okay. So here why I said this gets poorer, because Br is electron negative than the carbon. So Br will take the electron from the electron density will shift towards the Br. That's why which is getting now poorer. And here already carbon has some hydrogen. Now one more hydrogen he got. So now carbon will take electron density from the hydrogen. That's what the today's shortcut. And I hope you would have liked the shortcut. Please subscribe, like and comment. Before ending of the video, I will show you where it is getting used. So in class 12th standard, you will be asked to convert one propanol to two propanol or propan to all. So you see, whenever you see 1 to 2, Markovnikov. Whenever you see, suppose if your question is 2 propanol to propan 1 all. Whenever you see 1 to 2, remember 1 to 2 क्या होगा आपका? Markovnikov. And 2 to 1, what is that? Anti-Markovnikov. So whenever you will be asked to see that convert from one position to the second position, you will be using Markovnikov. Whenever it will be second position to the first position, you will be using anti-Markovnikov. I guarantee you can solve n number of questions with this. So remember the shortcut for Markovnikov, rich gets richer, poor gets poorer. For anti-Markovnikov, उसका उल्टा कर दीजिए, poor gets poorer, poor gets richer, and rich gets poorer. I hope you would have liked the video. Thank you so much. Like, subscribe and comment.